back to Inspired DIY. In today's video, I'd like to share how I was able to transform my nightstand into something that I really love and make a change into my bedroom. Stay tuned for the end result and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more DIY projects. So to begin, I'll just simply unscrew the top part from the bottom part of the nightstand. To invent my nightstand, I'm mainly using contact paper, and this one is my favorite, the white and gray with intricate art. So I cut it into size and I'll be covering the bottom and the top part of the nightstand. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far, and also if you're here for the first time, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next video. I've used my X-Acto knife to cut any excess contact paper. I cut teeth into the circles to remember where to place the top part of the nightstand. Using the same contact paper, I'll also be covering those parts of the nightstand. To cut the contact paper into size to cover the surface of the surround dowels. I then repeated the same step for the remaining three. Before moving to the next thing, I then added the contact paper to the top part of the nightstand. To connect the two parts together, I then added all my dowels and I will later on screw them to the bottom part. Since this part will be visible from the outside, I also added contact paper. Since I do not plan to cover the whole side of the nightstand, I'm using this foam sheet with double-sided tape to cover the middle section. Also remove the handle that the nightstand came with, and I will create a frame for the front door using glitter contact paper. I then cut 2.5-inch stripes. contact paper, I'm creating a border for the door. I then replace the previous handle with a crystal knob. One of the most fun things that I like to do using crushed glass, I mix 2 different shades together and using Mod Podge, I'll add it to the front section of the door. The finish of the nightstand is smooth, it will be a little challenging to do this part, but the outcome will turn out beautiful. Using those crafter stickers, I went and covered all the borders of the nightstand to create a finished look. That the sides were a little plain, so I used glitter contact paper stripes to create a border. This is the final result. It turned out so beautiful. It makes a great statement in my bedroom. I hope you guys did enjoy it as well. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for my next DIY projects. Thank you for watching. Bye.